Good afternoon. I am Pushpak Prakash, Managing Director of Pushpak Products India Private Limited. We are the manufacturer of industrial metal handling equipment, industrial and office furniture, and electrochemical process for the aerospace onboard component. Our industry started in 1992 with literally zero investment. Today we are in multiple product, multiple customer, multiple component manufacturing industry. We are having 3 locations, one in Bangalore, Nelamangala, Jalahalli, then Biddi, and also one more new unit is coming up in Dharwad. We have 4 branches, one in Biddi, one in Nelamangala, one in Jalahalli, and 4th one in Dharwad, bus seat manufacturing unit. Around 1000 buses per month we are having a capacity to manufacture seat frames. Just it is started now only, and we can produce multiple product of many kind of products like ground support equipment for the automobile industries like Toyota Groups, HAL, BEL, ISRO, all the major industries we can produce. Number is around 12 crores. We are making MOU, 2 MOUs for in this gym. One for Dharwad 2 acres and another one in 1 acre in Devanhalli Industrial Aerospace Technopark. Our target is around, we have to reach around 100 crores in another 3 years. That is our target. It is a 20-year-old company, and this gym giving a very good platform for the all MSME sector, and they are supporting but for the big industries. Definitely the need of the small scale industry support. For that, with this gym, if suppose if 100 companies, new big companies are coming, definitely 1000 small scale industries are get supported with this, and with that, definitely each small scale industry having 10 employees, we can consider 1000 into that much of employment is going to generate, and again infrastructure will develop, and lot of benefit for the small scale industry for this gym. In my view, definitely it is useful for the small scale industries. We have to make use of this facility, and also we have to spread all over Karnataka. It is not only for Bangalore. We have to cover all over India and all over Karnataka. Even wherever the rural unemployments are there, we have to give a good job for them. And also as a pushback for social corporate social concept, we are generating one entrepreneur development academy. We wanted to create 1000 entrepreneurs, that we are having Veena Prakash Entrepreneur Development Academy. Shortly we are going to start that activity in Nelamangala plant. Market situation is not bad. Definitely it is a growing situation. It depends on how the product and how your quality and how business ethics. If you are having a business ethics people, definitely you can able to run the industry. You should not see the result the same day. If you put some seed today, you have to wait for some time to get the yield. If you can put today and if you are expecting same day, it is really difficult. You have to have a concept of a coconut tree. If you put coconut tree, it will not give the yield for the within a month or a year, something like that. It will be definitely for once if you put a coconut tree, you will get a result after 5 years. Till that time you have to have a patience. Once if it yields start, it will never going to end. It is going to be a continuous. You should have a concept like that. Anybody who start industry, they should have that kind of concept, and they should work for with basic ethics, values for your customers and employees, and you should run the industry for the future, not for the one short period. You should not run the industry. Always you should think for the better tomorrow. And definitely this gym will help a lot of people, and for the big people and big industries and small industries, and also associations also like Akasia, Laghu Udyoga Bharati, Pina Association, FISME. Everybody is working together now, and definitely in another 2 to 3 years our country will grow in a small scale industry segment.